These news channels are skyrocketing in views and revenue by adding something unique to their videos, an AI avatar. It's been incredibly successful. I'm going to show you how you do this for your own videos using AI tools like CapCut, all from your phone. Let's get started. So first we're going to head on over to Google so we can find some news articles in our niche. Mine is AI, so I searched up AI articles. As you can see, there are a ton. All you got to do is click news next to all. So there are a ton here, but I'm going to click The Guardian. This one looks like it is super interesting. So this is the whole article. So not too bad. Big tech investment to beat Wall Street sky high. Okay, so this is the one that I'm going to use. Now, this is where the magic happens. In-video AI. So I'm going to go into in-video AI, and now I'm going to have to come up with a topic. So I want to show you the other workflows. So there's YouTube Explainer, script video, YouTube Shorts, news video, TikTok video, but I'm going to click news video. So it breaks down pretty much everything. You know, the description, the link, background music, narrator, all that. So now we're going to copy this whole article, and then we're going to come over to ChatGPT. And what we're going to put in ChatGPT is summarize, and then paste the article that you just copied right next to summarize. Okay, so now we get a short description of what the article's about. Now what we're going to do is click the article, hold it down, and press copy. So now where it says create a news video about, paste the description that you had. And then in the search news and also check, we're going to put the link where we got the news article. Perfect. Now let's scroll down a bit. I just let the in-video pick the music. It pretty much knows. So then we're going to click any where it says use, and I want to use a male. And any voice is good. And then we're going to scroll down where it shows the subtitles. I don't like showing the subtitles on in video because they're too big and bold. So I'm just going to put don't add subtitles. I'm going to add those later. Then you click continue. Now what we're going to do is click generate video. Now the video is analyzing, it's looking over the description, it's thinking, it's using everything that you put in. So what you want the video to give off, you know, like tech enthusiasts, investors, AI professionals, that's your audience. Look and feel, bright, clean, dramatic, platform, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn. We're going to click tech enthusiasts, bright, and YouTube. So now that it's generated, we're going to click play. So as you can see, this is really, really good. I cannot believe how good this was. I did this before and it didn't turn out this good. So now we're going to download the video. And I'm going to show you what else you can do on here, just in case you don't like the media. So you can edit the media, or you can edit the script, or you can edit the music. You can pretty much do anything on here to make your video more accommodating to you. So now I'm going to show you how to edit media. So I'm going to just click one of these, this one, and then I'm going to go to stock. I'm going to put in AI. As you can see, there's tons of stock footage to choose from. So I'm just going to click one. And then you press replace. I'm not going to do that because I like my video the way it is. But then it just replaces the stock footage. So now we're heading on over to Canva so we can find an intro for our news video. Something like breaking news. We're going to put in the search bar. So there's a ton to choose from, but I choose this one. See this? Oh, I love it. Okay, so then we're going to download this video. And then we're going to make sure that we get the highest quality. And then click download. Now we're going to head on over to CapCut. Now, you're going to upload breaking news, and then you're going to stop just a little bit into the breaking news video, and then you're going to click split, and then you're going to delete the end part of the video. And then we're going to come back over to CapCut, and we're going to search up news TV background. So there's a ton, but there's one that has caught my eye. So I'm going to click this one. Perfect. Okay, so then we're going to download this one as well. Same way, download, and then we're going to click the little plus so we can add this video, the news video, see? And then we're going to click the little line between the videos so we can use a transition. Now, I really like the cube transition because it makes it look more newsworthy. I love it. Okay. So then after you do this, you're going to click overlay because we want the video to show up on the news screen. So click overlay, add overlay, and then you're going to add breaking news again because we want it to go right into the video. So then we're going to shrink it down and put it right in the corner just like the news does. And then as you can see, it goes right into the breaking news. So now we're going to cut off the back of that just so it looks like this. And then at the end of the breaking news in the little tiny corner up there, we're going to add in our video we just created. Now we're going to put the video at the beginning of the breaking news. I hope you're following this. This part is a little bit more critiqued, so good thing there's visual representation. Okay, so now we're going to go to the end of breaking news. See how it goes in? And then we're going to take the little part and we're going to find layers right there. And we're going to click the arrows so that it goes into the back of breaking news. Just like that. See? And then it goes right into our video we just created. Perfect. So now we're going to cut it off just as the video is coming in, and we're going to enlarge the other half of the video because they're not going to continue to watch the video if all they can see is that tiny screen. So we're going to enlarge the screen just like that. So then as you can see, it goes right into the video. So this is what it's going to look like. So now you're going to press text because now we need to add some subtitles. What you're going to do is auto-generate captions. Because there is a voiceover on the video, it can generate the captions from the video. It pretty much does everything for you. So once they're generated, as you can see, they're at the bottom, but we need to push them down just a bit so that it looks more, I don't know, professional. So that's what it's going to look like. Perfect. So now we need to find an AI character. There's tons to choose from. I do like this guy. This is the guy I usually use, and you can pick a voice. Also, if you want me to show you how you can clone your voice on here, just let me know. Just let me know down in the comments. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the rest of them. You just click more, and then there's a ton of them that you can choose from. I love CapCut for this. So I click this guy, and then I click the check mark. Now what it's doing is generating the subtitles with him so that it matches. So now he is saying exactly what the subtitles are saying. Isn't that so cool? Okay, so now what you're going to do is click the video from InVideo that we made, and we're going to turn down the voice because we're using the voice on here. So we don't need the voice from the video. So then it's going to sound like that. Don't worry, I'm going to show you what the video is going to look and sound like at the end. So what we're going to do is enlarge him a bit. You know, make him look like he's standing there like an actual presenter or a news reporter, sorry. And then I'm just going through the video just to make sure that all the video is, the volume's down, just so we don't have any interruptions. Okay, so now that the volume's down on the whole video, I'm going to add some news anchor sound. So we click sound, and then we're going to put in breaking news. So I want to click this one. Oh, that sounds perfect. Okay, so I like the first one. I'm going to add it in. So, oh my gosh, this sounds amazing. Okay, so as soon as you get to the transition, you're going to click and you're going to splice it in half. On the second half, you're going to turn it down to 10. You don't want to hear that music while you're watching the video, so at the beginning it's fine, but at the end you want to turn it down. And then you click download. Now the moment you've been waiting for, the video.
What I wish I knew about InVideo before this earnings report. They just posted $30 billion in revenue. So why did their shares dip in video? The tech titan reported an astounding $30.04 billion in revenue for Q2, smashing Wall Street's forecast of 28 points.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.